Welcome, good evening everyone, and welcome to the dark season. It's pitch black outside. It has been a little bit lighter, but of course I had other things to do than to sit inside when the little time that it's light outside. So today we're going to practice in the dark, but luckily we have some modern sources of light that will bless us on this night. And it's January and we have to practice till the 6th of February, which is the National Day of the Sami people. And of course we have to do a lot of yoiking that day, and we have to yoik the Sami National yoik that day. We already had a Sami anthem from before, but in 2022 we elected a Sami National yoik in addition to the Sami National anthem. So the yoik that was elected was Sámieatnan Duoddariid by no one else than Áillohaš. Sámieatnan Duoddariid means the tundras of Sámi. I'm going to give you the English translation of this yoik, and it talks about the land, of course, and how this land is very rough and cold and hard, but still a warm embrace for us, and about the richness of our land and how this is the home to our Sami children and the center of our life. So it's a homage to the land of Sámi. And it's a lot of description of how rough and cold and hard it is. But at the same time, how that land gives us life. And you can choose if you want to do the lyrics or not. And you can just choose to learn the yoik melody and just to yoik without the lyrics if you don't want to try to learn in Sami language. So if you're at a place where people are yoiking this, you can just do the syllables instead of the lyrics. But it's up to you what you want to do. This yoik we can say that it has 5 verses, but actually it's only 4 because the first and the 5th verse are the same. So it's actually first verse, second verse, third and fourth, and then the repetition of the first verse. So it's 4 verses and then the repetition of the first verse. Usually it's done like that. And this yoik has 4 strophes, so it's easier to remember, I think, when it's 4 strophes. And it goes like this. Te yungolo elolo elolo eyalolo an te yololo ale yolo nalo Sámieatnan Duoddariid Sámi mánáid ruovttu.Galbma garra geađgegietkka liegga litna, salla. So let's start by learning the first strophe. Do that five times, and then we do the second strophe 5 times. Te yungolo elolo elolo he yungolo elolo elolo te yungolo elolo elolo he yungolo elolo elolo he yungolo elolo elolo te yalolo te yalolo te yalolo te yalolo te yalolo lulu, te lulu, te lulu, te lulu, te lulu, te lulu. Okay, this time I'm going to do the last one also. Te yungolo lulu lulu, te yolo te yolo le yolo na lulu le yolo na lulu te yolo na lulu te yolo na lulu he yolo na lulu he yolo na lulu. Okay, so let's do the last two ones. Te yolo he yolo na lulu te yolo te yolo na lulu te yolo te yolo na lulu he yongolo lulu hey yolo te yolo le yolo na lulu te yolo te yolo na lulu te yolo le yolo na lulu. Sámieatnan Duoddariid, Sámi mánáid ruovttu.Galbma garra geađgegietkka liegga litna salla te lulu te lulu hey le yolo na lulu. Okay, so let's do the whole thing. Let's just do it like, well, almost like Áillohaš does it in the video that I'm gonna link here. He does a few rounds of the yoik verse before he starts with the lyrics, but we're gonna do one yoik verse, then the first lyrics, second lyrics, and third lyrics, and then a yoik verse, fourth verse lyrics, and then the fifth verse lyrics, which are the same as the first verse, and then yoik verse. So it's going to be 8 rounds, and 3 of them are the yoik. In the beginning, in the end, and in the middle, we have the yoik. So if you don't want to do the lyrics, you can just do the yoiking all the time and just skip the lyrics. Te yungolo elolo lulu, hey hello lulu, and te yolo lulu, ale yolo na lulu, Sámieatnan Duoddariid, Sami mánáid ruovttu.Galbma, garra, geađgegietkka, liegga, litna, salla. Vuoi guorba duoddara, garra, guovllu.Davvi, geađge, borgamáilmmi, Sami mánáid ruovttu. Biegga, doalvu, Biegga, buktá, duottar.Duoddar, duoddar, askkis, Sámi, salla, doalvu. Te yungolo elolo lulu, te alolo, hey alolo lulu, ale yolo na lulu. Vuoi duoddariid, jävrisille násttiid.Sámi mánáid ruovttu, Elin Kåven, te yungolo elolo lulu, te alolo, hey alolo yolo, ale yolo na lulu. Nice, very good. And if you don't want to do the lyrics, again, you can just skip the lyrics and do the syllables the whole way. And liikkupäivin vuokaita, happy Sami National Day. Yoo-hoo! Oh, where's my flag? Where's my flag? Liikkupäivin! Te yungolo elolo lulu, hey alolo, te yungo. Ha? Ballonga. Te yungolo elolo lulu, ay alolo. Te alolo ale yolo na lulu. What? Why are these balloons popping up? It's destroying my... Let's do the whole thing. We're gonna do a yoik verse in the beginning,